Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel without butter. We will focus on a simple, yet incredibly effective wet method. You will learn to transform basic ingredients like granulated sugar, water, and a touch of heavy cream or milk into a luscious, golden caramel sauce. This process is straightforward and yields a versatile treat perfect for drizzling over desserts or stirring into your favorite beverages. To begin, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with about 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed, deep saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir gently with a heat-resistant spatula until all the sugar completely dissolves into the water. Once it starts boiling, stop stirring. Instead, gently swirl the pan occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any sugar crystals from forming on the sides. Keep cooking the sugar syrup without stirring until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it reaches that perfect golden hue, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Carefully and slowly whisk in about 1/2 cup of warm, heavy cream or milk. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up intensely. Continue whisking until it becomes smooth. If any sugar hardened when adding the cream, return the pan to low heat and stir constantly until it fully melts. Continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring until it reaches your desired thickness. Remember, the caramel will thicken considerably as it cools. Once done, pour your delicious, butter-free caramel into a heat-safe jar. It can be refrigerated for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.